Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and interesting numbers coming out of a research company called Lansweeper. That company is actually actively looking at security flaws and software, and they had a talk about Windows. And they were saying that we're at a state where there's about 1 in 6 PCs that is running Windows 10 now. And that is still a lot of machines. And they were comparing the security of these machines from Windows 11 and Windows 10. And what they discovered is that Microsoft seems to not patch everything that could be patched or work really hard in Windows 10 to, make as secure as possible everywhere. So that security research firm says that, for example, on average, a Windows 10 computer has 1,900 security flaws that are unfixed. So that means that as you're using Windows 10, there's an average of almost 2,000 security holes that yet need to be discovered. But they said that if you look at the same thing for Windows 11, it seems that that number falls to about 650, which says the company says it is clear Windows 11 is more secure and that they work harder to have it more secure than they work on Windows 10. And part of that is probably because of the fact that, Windows 10 is now in an extended support. It's getting end of support next year, 2027. So they're kind of not interested in working that hard in fixing Windows 10, and they're focusing on Windows 11. So these are kind of interesting statistics out there. So the company does say that Windows 11 is, yes, more secure than Windows 10. But that, of course, has to do with the care and that Microsoft gives it. One of the things that came to mind for me with that was how secure would you be on Windows 10 if you're using zero patch to fix security flaws. Zero patch focuses mostly on what's the most important flaws. Uh, Contrary to Windows Update, which will fix even the smallest of flaws, even if it, isn't that important. So when you start comparing that, you're thinking, well, maybe, zero patch probably is not really better since it will mostly focus on the security flaws that can be easily exploited. But it's interesting data coming out of that research company. And for those that say, oh well, the Microsoft is pushing that. That company is totally independent and has its own AI for discovering security flaws in software. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.